They are hard to get. If you think about it, they are very hard to get. I don't have any food. I'm not daddy. The crop's pretty good. Their feathers are sticky.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
It's just the way their feathers are.
No food, no.
They won't bite hard.
You're gonna be famous with me. Wait, where am I? There I am. Here, film me. I am confused. This one is my new baby.
Isn't it? Gotta zoom out on you. It won't come out any further.
I'm teaching them how to sing. I'm teaching the falcons how to sing.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Hello, baby. Okay, they sing just like me. Me and them have the same pitch.
Oh, okay.
I didn't say that was a good thing.
No comment.
No biting.
They don't bite hard.
They don't?
No.
Okay, bite then. They bite a little bit.
No, they don't bite hard.
Oh. You lie.
Ow. Ow. Go stick your finger over in Evelyn's mouth. We'll see. Ow.
Sky would rip my head off.
Yes, she would.
The servants. Which one? Hey, baby, which one's coming home with me tonight?